Hi, I'm Nick, and I'd like to show you how LeaseMinder works. LeaseMinder is a tool that helps you manage all your commercial leases so that you never miss any critical dates. The way you do it is you go to goleaseminder.com and you log in with your Google account. This is a secure connection. Once you log in, you go to the My Leases page and you can upload leases one at a time or in bulk. Here we've prepared a few demo leases for you. We have removed all confidential information. And one at a time, you see those leases getting uploaded and then extracted. And soon enough, they're gonna start popping here. Yes, here you can see the first lease is ready, and you can see a lot of the crucial information here appear in the summary table, the address, the rental rate, so on and so forth. All leases are now in, and if I click on any of the rows in this table, I'll see the detailed information of those leases. All the key information is extracted here to the left. We're using AI to extract the information, and we're very highly confident that the information is accurate. But if something is off, you can certainly edit it by clicking the edit button here, and you can edit any of the fields here that you'd like. Also, you could take notes. You could add notes for any of the leases that you've uploaded. Let's say if this was a barber shop or any particular tenant, you could save that information by clicking save, and you could download each of these leases individually if you so desire. So if we go back to the leases summary table, you can, again, you've seen this view, but what I've not showed you yet is that you can filter the information in these leases. So for example, if I want to see which leases are expiring in 9 months, I can click this button here and I see only those leases. And in addition here, we have added a lot of additional filters. Also, you can search your leases by any of the fields we've extracted. So if I look for barbershop, here is that lease that I had already added the note in. Then I return to my summary view and I click on notifications where I could specify any number of days where I would receive an email notice before the lease expires or before my renewal notice is due. You can also get notified if a lease extraction fails for any reason. I'll show you how that works. These are digital PDF leases where you can highlight and copy the information. If you have a scanned or an image lease, an image PDF lease, you can certainly upload that one as well. We currently don't quite support ingesting of scanned leases. I'll show you what happens. This looks like a scanned or image PDF. Digital PDFs for today, and scanned PDF support is planned for Pro. So even for those leases, you could absolutely edit the information that you need here, as I showed you, add notes, and then after you do that, enable the notifications. You can use LeaseMinder for free to upload, store your leases securely, and add any notes. And if you wanted to use notifications, that requires Pro subscription.